What is LMIA and is it different from the work permit application process? When it comes to LMIA, a lot of people are confused. Is LMIA the same as a work permit application, and is the work permit going to be issued to you at the same time that LMIA's decision is done? The answer to this question is no. LMIA and work permit are two different application processes that are processed by two different government organizations, ESDC and IRCC. LMIA stands for the Labor Market Impact Assessment, and the keywords here are labor market. The key here is to show to the government that the employer was not able to hire a Canadian or permanent resident of Canada and to receive a special permission to hire a foreign worker. The work permit, on the contrary, is processed by the IRCC Immigration Canada and is done for the employee. You would need to apply for your work permit once the LMIA decision is done. It was Angela, licensed immigration consultant, especially for Any Visa Immigration Channel.